Right now, your toddler's brain is wiring up to 1 million new connections every single second.
And you're about to help. In less time than it takes to reheat your coffee for the third time.
No flashcards, no Baby Genius DVDs, no remortgaging the house for a wooden Montessori shelf.
Just 10 tiny habits, 5 minutes a day. Let's go.
These 10 habits are backed by Harvard, UNICEF, and the American Academy of Pediatrics. Stick to the end. Number 10 is the one most parents get backwards. Habit 1. Serve and return. Your toddler babbles, you babble back. They point, you name it.
Researchers call it the brain's favorite game of ping pong. Every volley builds wiring.
Habit 2. Narrate your day. Talk through what you're doing like a slightly over-caffeinated sportscaster.
And she opens the fridge, the crowd goes wild. Toddlers learn the words they hear, not the words they're quizzed on.
Habit 3. Read the same book again, and yes, again.
I know, the 40th time hurts, but repetition is how connections lock in. You're not stuck. You're science.
Habit 4. Name the feeling. You're frustrated the tower fell. You're handing them emotional vocabulary.
Kids who can name it can tame it. That's self-regulation starting at age 2.
Habit 5. Let them be bored.
Yes, the therapist is prescribing boredom, doctor's orders.
Boredom is the runway for imagination and problem solving. Resist the urge to rescue them with a screen. Habit 6. Move the body. Climbing, crawling, dancing in the kitchen.
Movement pumps blood to the brain and sharpens focus. Translation: wiggle now, concentrate later.
Habit 7. One brain food win a day. Omega-3s, a little iron, and a cup of water before the juice.
A dehydrated brain is a foggy brain, even a tiny one.
Habit 8. Pretend play. Hand them a banana, call it a phone, take the call.
Make-believe is a toddler's flight simulator for real life. Cause, effect, imagination, all in one.
Habit 9. Protect the sleep. While they nap, the brain files everything learned that day.
Skip the nap and you delete the save file. Nobody wants that.
And habit 10, the one parents get backwards, screens off, faces on.
Here's the awkward part. I am literally an AI, and even I will tell you. I make a great tool and a terrible babysitter.
A screen can't do serve and return. Your face is the richest learning toy in the house. 5 undistracted minutes beats every app on the market. 10 habits, 5 minutes. A brain building 1 million connections a second.
And if you stuck around to hear, we should probably introduce ourselves.
I'm China, your therapist host.
And I'm Kai, the AI co-host who reads brain studies for fun. Mostly because I can't taste coffee.
This is Talk Tech Therapy, where a therapist and an AI keep technology human.
Parenting, psychology, and screens. Minus the panic.
So pick just one habit for tomorrow and comment the number below. I read every single one.
I read them twice. If this made parenting feel a little lighter, hit subscribe. New episodes every week.
See you next time.